What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here, and I'm in my little office in my studio area where I do my DDFM shows and where I do all my editing. The reason why I'm making this video today, it's an announcement to cancel the Wednesday videos for the time being. And the reason why I'm doing that is multi-reasons. It takes a lot for me to come up with a decision like this. And for one, first of all, it's my health. I mean, I'm sitting in here all day, every day, and it's almost too much, and especially with the level of editing I want to do, it makes it a little bit difficult. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Fridays. So Monday and Friday are going to be the typical video vlog type style. It's going to be the tips. It's going to be everything on the bike. The Tuesdays and Thursdays, it's going to be the DDFM show. And that way it allows me to have a much bigger, broader subject when it comes to Mondays and Fridays. It allows me to edit longer on those videos. And overall, it's just going to be better for everything when it comes to the videos themselves. And then, like I said, my health. I mean, I want to get back to working out. I haven't been working out. I've been focused 100% on this stuff. And it's really kind of taking a toll. I'm running out of daylight. I can't work on some of the stuff in the house. I got a honey-do list. I want to make my kids' beds. I want to do a bunch of other stuff, and I just have no time. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing Mondays and Fridays for the actual videos, the edited videos, and then Tuesdays and Thursdays are going to be the DDFM show. Like I said, that way I can focus a lot more on the editing, and I can do really 2 good topics, quality over quantity, instead of 3 mediocre, I'm going to say good topics, but not the amount of time I want them to have. And once again, like I said, my health, I'm going to start working out and stuff again. I've kind of got a little crazy here recently. Anyways, on top of that, I just want to share some other stuff that's going to be going on. I'll be at the 520 Moto Show on April 27th. I'll be there from like 7 a.m. till like 6 p.m. I'll be there all day. I think the doors open at 9:30. I cannot wait to see you guys show up. There's going to be a ton of people. I'll have my own booth. I'll have everything. It's super awesome, and I cannot wait to see you guys there. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I will be taking a break on Wednesdays. That way, throughout the week, I'll be able to focus on those 2 really good videos, the good topics, good editing, everything. And then I can be able to, work out, have time to work out. I wake up at 6 in the morning, and I am editing and filming and doing stuff all day. And I know I can make better choices when it comes to working out and being a little bit more healthy when it comes to the physical aspect. But at the end of the day, this is the best decision I can make. So I just want to say thank you to all my patrons, and thank you to all my viewers and subscribers for the support. This isn't something easy for me to do, but I'm going to be focusing really on those 2 videos and those 2 DDFM shows. All right? All right. Thank you, guys. I'll see you later.